Okay, it's time to add some data to the BigQuery database that we have here. So I've uploaded a CSV to the Google Drive on here, and let's make a table. So I want to go here to cloud storage and find my file here. There we go. There's the file. And let's see if this was go. Okay, that's fine. There we go. That's fine. Let's see how this works out. Looks like it's in there. Looks like past tense. I'm not sure I like these names. I should have known better. I didn't want that. All right, string float, timestamp, string float, float. Ugh, not so good. Let's see if I can make these a little better. No, that wasn't too good of an idea. So I think it's time to start this over. Delete it. Doesn't seem current schema, new fields. No, don't want that. Don't want this at all. Delete. Delete the whole table. It's probably easier if I pre-append these things with column names. I don't know if it's that smart, but probably is, knowing Google. Knowing Google. Okay, table name, table name. I don't want to do an auto detect, that's for sure. Add a field. String nullable. I don't know if this will take the columns as I have them defined. Okay, so that's how I have it. Row ID. And it's not a string. Timestamp. It's none of those. It's probably an integer. Mode nullable required. It's not required. I wouldn't say it's required. Symbol varchar. So I don't think it has the don't think it has a varchar thing in here. Numeric, big numeric, no. Timestamp, no. Datetime record. Probably a string. All right. What do we got? Symbol string, date, date, date. Date's going to be date time. Timestamp. Date time, date time. There we go. And what's next? Exchange is string. Okay, nullable. Probably these are all required, I would think, except for the first one. Okay, exchange. Open, low, high, close volume. Open, open, low, close, high, volume. Open, low. Open, low, high, close volume. Low, high, close, volume. Okay, so exchange is going to be a string. Open is going to be a floating point. It's not an integer. There it is, a float. Okay. Low is going to be a float. High is going to be a float. Close is going to be a float. Volume is an integer. Required, 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 required. Okay, double check. We got row ID, integer. Probably don't need that. Symbol is going to be a string. Date time is going to be date time. Exchange string. The rest are floats. Open, low, high, close. Open, float, low, float, high, float, close, float. The rest is the volume. Okay, that's good. Let's make the table now. See if it complains. Error, required column value for column index 8 is missing. Column 8 is missing in row at position 0. Well, that could happen because my data is not exactly perfect. Column 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No close. Yeah, that could happen. So I might have to normalize my data or at least put in zeros for nulls or not. Let's see if this thing is friendly or not. Open job history, dataset info, job history, blah, blah, blah. Query it, saved queries. Okay, nothing here yet. Well, it's created, so I'm hoping this is good data. Let's work on queries next and see how that goes. I think I have my data set in here now, so next thing, let's see, this is going to be called what? Daily stocks close data. High, low, high, low, open, close, volume. There's that. Labels, I probably should give it a label. Do I need a value? I don't want to put a value in. Okay, no value, job history. There's that. All right, well, that's probably about it for now. I'm going to try and run some SQL against this thing next and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.